Hello there, this is Samuel from LS Financial, and today is the 28th of April 2017, and my current time here is 6:39 p.m. on the GMT. This week's Friday analysis would be on the Euro New Zealand currency pair, and as you have probably seen a couple of analysis I do. And how I go about it, you realize that I always do the larger time frame, which is probably the weekly time frame or the daily time frame, and then with the larger time frame in mind, I go to the smaller time frame and plot out my entries with the larger time frame in mind. Okay, so currently we see we have seen that this currency pair has been in a general downtrend, and most recently we broke past this downtrend, and now we are looking at a potential reversal trend here. But now what we want to do is take advantage of the pullback. Now, as you know, the market is not just a random place where it just rallies up to some random levels and just pulls back to some random levels. The market, in as much as we see it as a very random place, it has some sort of order in the system. It's a system with some level of orderliness. Okay, so we know that as the market rallies, it rallies to the nearest level of resistance and acts as nearest level of support to act as resistance, and vice versa. Okay, so what we need to point out initially is that as the market was rallying, realize that the market had some hesitance around this level, which was a level of resistance. Okay, so you can clearly see that the market, it rallied up and then found this level of resistance and then pulled back a little bit and then broke up. Now, our next level of resistance, which the market seemed as broken past, is this level, right? So now, since we know the market moves in patterns, we know that it's liable, or the market is due to pull back since we just broke past this level of resistance. Okay, so I'm looking at a possible pullback to the next level of resistance. So basically, this whole analysis is based on a pullback trade. Okay, now, so with this in mind, we gradually go to the daily time frame and look out for further confirmations to back up this analysis on the weekly time frame. Now, as you can clearly see, this market has been rallying without any major level of resistance. As clearly we see from the weekly time frame, here on the daily time frame, you see that the market broke past this level of resistance and then retraced quite a bit and then pushed way back up. So now, this is my thinking process right now. We'll be looking for the market to pull back to the next level of resistance, which is around this level. Okay, which is around this level. So I will want to point out a level which would be conducive for taking profit. So this is my level here at 54.32. This is the level I'm looking to take the markets down, should in case we have further confirmations. Now, what I would wait for the market to do is, first off, we need to get that this market is more like forming a shooting star. Now, this is not quite a bearish shooting star, but I think the market is trying to tell us that it's time to go down. Well, we don't know, but we would have to wait for confirmations, more confirmations. And the major confirmation I wait for is a counter trend line break on the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame, what I expect the market to do is, I expect the market to break past, or I expect the candles to be found on the south side of this red counter trend line, and then we would have the indication that this market is due to fall to the next level of resistance. And from the current market price, we are looking at about 400 pips of opportunity. Okay, so gradually let's go to the 2-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame to plot out our entries and all that. So from the daily, this is the line from the daily, but we'd have to adjust it on the 2-hour time frame to see exactly what we are talking about. So now our level stays constant, but what I would want the markets to do on this time frame or any of the lower time frames is that I will want the market to break past this level and then retrace to the backside of this trend line. So I will point out how I want the market to behave here. So I want the market to break past and then take out these lows. Now these low, so I want the market to take out these lows and then pull back to the backside of the trend line, and then we would look to sell to our level right here. So that should be in green for profits. Okay, so this is what I expect the market to do. We break past this trend line, take out these lows right here, and then pull back. Then we would look to sell this market to 54.30. So this is it for this week's Friday analysis. Hope you enjoyed the video and analysis, and please do also subscribe if you haven't, and please share the video to for us to have the maximum reach as possible. Thank you so much, and do enjoy your week. It's bye bye.